I hope everyone is enjoying this Watershed Wednesday. My name is Zach Carter, and I'm a new employee at the Nevada Division of Environmental Protection. And I wanted to introduce myself because I'll be working with several people and organizations throughout the Carson River Watershed. I will be working in the Bureau of Water Quality Planning in the Non-Point Source branch. I will be overseeing 401 certifications and 319 funded projects in the Carson River watershed, and will be pursuing other efforts in the Carson River drainage to address non-point source pollution. Just a brief background about myself. I have experience in hydrology, riparian wetland restoration, and water quality monitoring. I attended Humboldt State University and received my bachelor's degree in forestry with an emphasis in hydrology, and later attended the University of Nevada, Reno, and received my master's in hydrology. Following my time at UNR, I led a crew conducting riparian surveys with the Great Basin Institute for the Winnemucca office of the BLM for the grazing permit renewal process. Most recently, I was working at a conservation district in the Palouse region of eastern Washington, where I was working on riparian restoration with livestock BMPs and wetland restoration on private lands. I was also water quality monitoring for BMP effectiveness of projects the conservation district was helping landowners install, as well as soil sampling in agricultural fields throughout the region to help inform landowners about soil health within their fields. I was also working on the National Water Quality Initiative for a small watershed in that area as well. I'm looking forward to working closely with individuals, land managers, organizations, and agencies throughout the Carson River watershed. Please feel free to contact me. My contact information is listed below. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of Watershed Wednesday.